Hi children, welcome to our EVS class. Children, in this session we are going to recall about chapter 11 Earth and Sky. Let us recall one by one. Children, observe the picture and listen. What do you see around you? There are different places, houses, streets, parks, etc. around you. These are all different trees, flowers, birds, animals, rivers, hills, and forest. All these places and things are present on our earth. Our earth is like a ball. It is round in shape and made of land and water. Children, observe the picture and listen. Go to an open space such as a park or a terrace. Look up at the sky. What do you see? Yes, you will see a vast blue sky with clouds of different shapes. In the daytime, you will see the sun, and in the night, you will see the moon and countless stars. Children, observe the picture. Now we are going to recall about the sun. When the sun rises, the day begins. When the sun sets, the night follows. Listen, the sun is a huge ball of fire in the sky. The sun is the source of heat and light in the sky. It looks red in the morning and evening, but looks yellow during the day. Now we are going to recall about the night sky. Observe the picture and listen. When we look at the sky at night, it appears dark. We can see the moon and a lot of shining stars. Observe the picture and listen. Now we are going to recall about the moon and the stars. The moon is bright and keeps changing its shape every day. Sometimes we see the full moon that is round and very bright. At another times we see only a part of it. Full moon, half moon. See, stars are the small twinkling objects in the night sky. They are actually big ball of fire. They look small because they far away from our earth. Moon is closer to the earth than the star. Children, now we are going to recall about rainbow. In the rainy season, we sometimes see a rainbow in the sky. We can see a rainbow in the rainy season. When the sun shines through the falling rain, there are 7 colors in the rainbow, which are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. See, there are many things that fly in the sky, such as birds, aeroplanes, kites, parachutes, and balloons. Children, now it's time for homework. Do the application part, page number 41 and 42 in workbook. The question is, draw the different shapes of moon that you must have observed. Also, cut out the shape of the moon that you like the most and paste it in the space given below. Next, do you find any changes in the brightness of the moon? Next, mark the tick the day when you like the sky the most. Next, how did you feel? I completed the application in dash day or days. Next, do the creative part, page number 43 or 44 in workbook. Make a model of our earth by using a big balloon. Also draw and color the picture of the earth in the space given below, or draw the scene of a night sky, or speak a few lines about our earth. Children, it has 3 works. You have to do only one. question from these three things. Upload your work through Google Classroom app, children. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.